Good morning, everybody. It's Brandon Doherty, Dell Weather Guy, bringing you your Wacky Wednesday weather reports. Today, the weather story is simply going to feel much more balmier than the last couple days. Highs in the low 40s are going to feel probably 50, 60-ish to all of us. The sun blasts the region today. A little colder as you go north and west of 95 down by the beaches. Decent 40s, but some wind coming in, but will make it feel a little colder. But 40, 42, 42 in Wilmington, 41 in Dover, 43 down near the beaches. So that brings us to the rest of the week and into the weekend, and I really wouldn't go past Saturday right now. I would draw a line there as to that this is pretty much what we know will happen, as opposed to Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday when we get into the high uncertainty level. Um, Temperatures, typical moderate seasonal, but then turning much colder, as you see, heading into the weekend. So we're back down in the cold. All right, so I put it out there this morning that there was the potential for a weekend storm, Martin Luther King Day storm. Now, here's the scenario: the players on the field haven't even come on the field yet, so we're projecting through looking at. We're doing a lot of supposition and not a lot of uh, meteorological fact here, but we will have a developing low pressure. High pressure drop a northern component down into the south, while we have some upflow from the Gulf. And that's going to create our potential storm for Sunday into Monday. And it's kind of our typical developing nor'easter. Okay, that it now from here, where does it go? That's the kind of thing. Well, this is just a projection. This is just a model projection, and this is not what is going to happen. But the pattern has been suggesting that some kind of big storm is going to be developing around this time. So uh, it kind of makes its track towards the northeast. It picks up moisture from the Gulf. You can see how far that wedge of cold air gets. But as the storm is coming up and ejecting off of the coast, that anticyclonic flow is going to bring in some much warmer air. Now, depending on the track, of course. So this particular depiction, okay, of the model, don't worry so much about where it's snowing, where it's raining. Now, what we do need to concern ourselves with is the tracking. So if the low tracks and jumps off the Carolina coast, we're in business because that'll pull in more cold air. High pressure, we would like this to be a little bit higher here. We have some blocking up north, not much. Actually, if this system, the first system, which is now this is the Friday storm, fish storm that flies out. Now you can see how these two storms are interacting. One is leaving, the other is just entering the middle part of the country. Now, how much energy does this first storm steal from this system? And this system, it needs to get out of the way. It needs to get out of the way, completely out of the way. And you can kind of see it just gets out of the way as the system has already made its mind up and has decided that because there is room and this high pressure has jumped off the Atlantic coast, then the cold air source is gone. Okay. And with this model run, we would just receive a lot of rain. So obviously, there's tons of questions. There's tons to find out. We have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and even the last. So we have 4.5 days here to uh, project where this low is going to track. So um, there's more questions than there are answers at this point. That's it for me, Brandon Doherty, Dale Weather Guy. Have a wonderful week.